Hey guys, welcome back again to another exciting video. Here in today's video, we will tell you the life story of M. Bala Murali Krishna. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content what we post, then you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will never miss this kind of interesting videos when we upload them. Let's get started. Mangalampalli Bala Murali Krishna was an Indian Carnatic vocalist, musician, multi-instrumentalist, playback singer, composer, and character actor. He was awarded the Madras Music Academy's Sangeeta Kalanidhi in 1978. He has garnered two National Film Awards in 1976 and 1987, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1975, and the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor, in 1991 for his contribution towards arts, the Mahatma Gandhi Silver Medal from UNESCO in 1995, the Chevalier of the Ordre des Arts et des Lettres by the French government in 2005. The Sangeeta Kalanidhi by Madras Music Academy and the Sangeeta Kalasikhamani in 1991 by the Fine Arts Society in Chennai, to name a few. He started his career at the age of 6. In his lifetime, he gave over 25,000 concerts worldwide. Apart from Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, he presented Jugalbandi concert with Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia, Pandit Ajay Chakraborty, and Kishore Amankar, among others. He is also known for popularizing the compositions of Sri Bhadrachala Ramadasu, Sri Annamacharya, and others. His concerts combined sophisticated vocal skills and rhythmic patterns of classical music with the popular demand for entertainment value. He presented concerts in many countries including the US, Canada, UK, Italy, France, Russia, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, countries in the Middle East, and many more places. Apart from his native tongue, Telugu, he has also composed in other languages including Kannada, Sanskrit, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, Bengali, and Punjabi as well. He appeared as a featured soloist with an award-winning British choir performing the Gitanjali suite with words from Rabindranath Tagore's Nobel Prize-winning poetry and music by Dr. Joel. The noted UK-based gone composer, his clear diction in several languages prompted an invitation to record Tagore's entire Rabindra Sangeet compositions in Bengali, preserving them for posterity. He had sung in French and even ventured into jazz fusion, collaborating with the top Carnatic percussion teacher Sri T.H. Subhash Chandran in a concert for Malaysian royalty. Now let's see his early life. He was born in Sankaraguptam, East Godavari District, Madras Presidency, now a part of Andhra Pradesh state. His father was a well-known musician and his mother was a veena player. His mother died when he was an infant and he was raised by his father. Observing his interest in music, his father put him under the tutelage of Parupalli Ramakrishna Pantulu, a direct descendant of the Shishya Parampara lineage of disciple of Tyagaraja. Under his guidance, the young Bala Murali Krishna learned Carnatic music. At the age of 8, he gave his first full-fledged concert at a Tyagaraja Aradhana in Vijayawada. Musunuri Suryanarayana Murthy Bhagavatar, a Harikatha performer, saw the musical talent in him and gave the prefix Bala, little child, to the young Bala Murali Krishna. Prior to this, his name was only Murali Krishna. Following Bhagavatar's addition to the prefix, he began to be known as Bala Murali Krishna. Having begun his musical career at a very young age by age 15, He had mastered all the 72 Melakartha ragas and had composed krithis in each of them. His Janaka Raga Manjari was published in 1952 and recorded as Raganga Rabali in 9-volume series by the Sangeeta Recording Company. Not merely content with his fame as Carnatic vocalist, he also played the kanjira, mridangam, viola, and violin. He accompanied various musicians on the violin also. He also presented solo viola concerts. He was the person who introduced viola to classical Indian music. Now let's see his experimentations. Characteristics of his musical journey have been in his non-conformism, spirit of experimentation, and boundless creativity. He has experimented with the Carnatic music system by keeping its rich traditions untouched. Ragas such as Ganapati, Sarvashri, Mahati, Lavangi, etc. are credited to him. The ragas which he invented represent his quest for new frontiers. Ragas such as Lavangi are set to 3 or 4 notes in ascending and descending scale. Ragas such as Mahati, Lavangi, Siddhidi, Sumukham that he created have only 4 notes, while his other raga creations such as Sarvashri, Omkari and Ganapati have only 3 notes. He also innovated the Tala rhythm system. He has incorporated Gati Bhedam in the Shashabda Kriya. Actions that can produce sound, Shabda in Talas are called Shashabda Kriya, are a part of the existing Tala chain. New chains are possible too. Saint Arunagirinadhar used to inject such systems in his famous Tirupugas, but only as Sandham, while Balamurali Krishna is known to be the pioneer of bringing such sandhams into logical rhythm with angam and definition. Trimukhi, Panchamukhi, Saptamukhi and Navamukhi are the basic classifications of his new Tala system. He gave his authorization to S. Ram Bharti to found Academy of Performing Arts and Research in Switzerland. He also worked on music therapy. He established the MBK Trust with the objective of developing art and culture and for carrying out extensive research into music therapy. A dance and music school, Vipanchi, is a part of his trust. He has over 400 compositions to his credit and is one of the very few people to have composed in all the 72 Melakarta ragas and has created several ragas with 4 notes and 3 notes and also has invented a new Tala system. His composition encompass every genre in Carnatic music including Varnas, Krithis, Thilanas, Bhavagitas. There have been many Pallavis set to Panchamukhi Tala such as Isai Inbathirko Edillai Ivulakil Sentamil in Ragam Lathangi composed by Amrutha Venkatesh and Adiva Pirai Sudiva Alavai Nathane in Ragam Abheri composed by Ramesh Vaidya and tuned by S.J. Jananiya and also others in Bilahari Thodi and Kalyani composed by Dr. Balamurali Krishna himself. There have been also Alaripas composed by Bharatnatyam in Panchamukhi. The Mukhi Tala system builds on a traditional Adi Tala or Chathusra Jati Triputa Tala 1-0-0. However, the first Kriya or Mukhi meaning phase of each Anga takes the Gati of its Tala name and the rest in Chathusra Gati. For example, Panchamukhi, the first Kriya of each Anga will be in the Kanda Gati and so the Tala consists of 35 matras. 5, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4. Following this method, 4 talas can be generated: Trimukhi, Panchamukhi, Saptamukhi, Navamukhi. Well, these were the compositions and talas which he created. Now let's see his journey in the cinema. He has sung in several films in Telugu, Sanskrit, Malayalam, Kannada and Tamil. He made his acting debut with the Telugu film Bhakta Prahalada as Narada and has acted in few other films in Telugu and Tamil. He has received n numbers of awards. Here is the list of them. Dr. Bala Murali Krishna died at his residence in Chennai on 22 November 2016 when he was just 86 years old. His end came in deep sleep at around 5 in the evening due to a cardiac arrest. He was cremated with full stage honors at Besant Nagar Crematorium in Chennai the very next day. Thousands of people attended his funeral. He is survived by 3 daughters and 3 sons who are all doctors. His wife, Srimati Annapurna, outlived him for 3 months and died on 16 February 2017. As his legacy, his family has formed the Dr. M. Bala Murali Krishna Memorial Trust to represent him after his death. Well, that was a complete life history on Dr. Bala Murali Krishna. We hope you have understood today's concept here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends so that even they can get to know about Dr. M. Bala Murali Krishna. You should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll never miss these kind of interesting videos when we upload them here. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, you can watch the rest of the videos which are going to appear right now here on the screen. Enjoy it.